The TeraValve abrasive metering valve is revolutionary in its ability to provide high-performance, pressure-hold blasting at a cost-effective price point. It is the result of a new approach in thinking, combined with the tradition of Schmidt expertise in design and manufacturing. The TeraValve is the most precise metering valve of all Schmidt valves, which improves blasting productivity. The reconfigured TeraValve sleeve and knob design enable more precise control of abrasive flow. End users have reported a reduction of abrasive consumption, which lowers the abrasive expense per job. The TeraValve is diaphragm actuated, simplifying overall operation and maintenance. The new Schmidt Extended Life or XL technology is incorporated for durability and long life, even when the valve is used with harsh abrasives. The compact size fits easily onto low-clearance blast pots or blast cabinets without modification, making it easy to convert automatic blowdown pots to a more efficient and productive pressure hold system. Rugged corrosion-resistant stainless steel body, Virtual Position Indicator, or VPI, provides a visual representation of valve orifice, so metering is simple to set and maintain. Diaphragm actuation, which makes the TeraValve highly tolerant of dusty environments. High-grade tungsten carbide plunger and sleeve for extended life. User-friendly cleanout port, which is easy to remove and reinstall. Mitigate and withstand dust in valve internals. Easy to disassemble even after extended use, making service easier. Longer life than the classic Thompson and Thompson II valves. Compact design makes it easy to retrofit lower clearance blast pots without vessel modification.